Ngizocela wonke ama-provincial leaders e-MK, ama-regional leaders e-MK, ukuze kuzoba lula kithi manje. Ngizocela wonke nje ama-regional leaders e-MK ukuya kwi-provincial and national to write ama-dispute to IEC. To write ama-dispute to IEC, or else thina sizozenzela ngendlela yethu ukurecounta, because angeke kuhlule ukurecounta back. We can recount. We can do it on Saturday and Sunday to show that how many people who voted for MK. Because abantu bakhathele, we can call people. Akusinkinga leyo ukwenza lokho, kusimple kani. On Saturday and Sunday singabiza bonke abantu abavotela uMK baphumele sobala baqale phansi senza amalona ama-recount thina ngendlela yethu, because lento le ye-IEC ayikho lento ukuthi i-DA ingahluli i-MK. There's no way bafowethu, ngiyanitshela mina lento yenziwe ngamabomu vele yayiplane kudala ukuthi i-ANC kumele isebenze ne-DA national ukuze khona ukusuppressa. Vele siyosuppresswa ngaphakathi kweparlament, siyosuppresswa ilezinja lezi vele beziloko ezibhizi phela. Ayikho different kulento eyenzekile maqabane. Mina nje ngifuna nje ukunitshela nje iqiniso, there's no any difference. Lento ikhulunyiwe ukuthi i-MK inikezeni i-KZN yayo, kodwa we are going to suppress them in the parliament. Now akunoba noshintsho ebantwini bakithi if ever singavumela lento si-MK. Wonke ama-regional leaders awabhala ama-dispute, wonke ama-provincial leaders ayi-9 naku-national ababhala ama-dispute basubmithe kwi-IEC. Asambelani nale nonsense eyenzakele le. Asithathi nje le nonsense ye-IEC esitshela ukuthi i-ANC winile. That's pure lies. Labantu baluza wonke amalona. I-country lidwa ngama-collusion, baluza ama-local elections. Yini eyenza ukuthi bawine kuma-national election namhlanje? I-DA yona asiyikhawunti nokuyikhanda, i-useless, ayinabantu. Even nakuma-VDs nakuma-voting station bahambe early ngabo-3. Bangazosinyela labantu. Ayikho lento lesicela nje ukuthi iqalwe phansi yonke into ngama-weekend. Thina sobiza umphakathi wonke ovotile wonke sozenzela thina without i-IEC. Now MK ayibhala ama-dispute asambelana nale nonsense. That's all. Wena amantashi nomkhabo omkhulu nesende elincane ucabanga ukuthi labantwana olala nabe Valtech lapha ninosayi ungazosijwayela amasimba wena sidwaba sikanyoko.